Relaxing is very important for everyone. People relax in different ways. Old people like to go to parks or religious places. Young people relax by going to the gym or dancing. I like to relax at a gurdwara, a Sikh temple. It is a very peaceful place near my home. I go there once or twice a week. When I go there, I walk around the holy book and pray. There is a small pond at the Gurdwara. It has many colorful fish. I sit near the pond and listen to the soft music and holy words. It makes me feel very peaceful and happy. Last Sunday, I took some bread and fed the fish. There are 2 big catfish that always come near me. I feel they are talking to me, even if it's just in my mind. Watching the fish swim makes me feel calm. Even when many people are there, the place feels quiet. Sometimes I help in the community kitchen. This kitchen gives free food to everyone. This is the place where I relax and feel happy.